So it's goodbye again. I'll leave you with this. Remember who your friends are. Remember who's looking out for you.
Hey, I couldn't find anything to eat. The kitchen's pretty cleaned out. Oh shoot, I left my bag. I brought you this.
That was... Fuck. I don't even know what happened. It was all just a blur.
How are you feeling?
I'm okay. I'll be okay. Thanks to you.
No, I just helped a little. It was all Caitlin and Ryan.
You're here with me. That helps.
All right, they're off to find a radio or something.
What's with the,
we found another in Mr. H's office, so just in case.
What happened to the lights?
Not sure. Any better?
I'm doing okay. Kinda.
Wait, are they going to the radio hut?
Phone's dead. They're gonna try to send out an SOS or something. We're holding down the fort.
I thought you said Dylan and Ryan already left.
Wait, stay here. I'll check it out.
We'll be fine. Just be careful.
Stay alert.
No sign of them.
When you find them, hunt them. And keep me posted, Bobby.
May not be like the best time per se, but like.
What?
Yeah, so like I was just, you know. Yeah, so like I was just, you know, thinking about like the start of summer and when we first met and started camp and, well, like now that summer's over and, you know, is that like the last time we're gonna see each other, you know?
Sorry, Nick, what are you saying?
Hey, I'm kind of pouring my heart out here.
Nick, I'm sorry. Can we talk about this later? I'm really freaked out. It's just not a good time.
You're hard to read.
Wait, what?
You're not even listening, are you?
No, I
Wow.
Yeah.
I think I was that boring.
Gosh, you're hurt. I just want to make sure we're safe, okay? What is going on out there, Caitlin? We've died. We've died.
It's okay, I got this.
Oh my god.
What happened? Jesus, where's the gun?
We gotta get out.
No, we have to hide.
Quick.
So the radio hut has like an act.
Oh yeah, it used to be more of a actual radio station actually. You know, I mean it is still technically, but nobody brings their radio to camp anymore.
Yeah.
It's weird actually that there used to be kids with their radio and their portable CD player and kids with their radio and their portable CD player and everything, and you know, nowadays everything we need is on the phone, but Mr. Hackett takes it on the first day of camp so that we're not distracted by technology.
Technology, it giveth and it taketh. So is that something like that you want to go into?
Camp radio?
No, like DJing or music or something.
Oh, yeah, I mean I like music, but I think I want to major in quantum physics.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
You don't really seem like a science guy.
Oh yeah, I mean, you know, not here.
I'm sorry. I'm so completely fascinated by this. What do you mean by not here?
Not here at camp. I do that at home, and then here I
You're a wise cracking smartass?
that's a little harsh, but
No?
okay, so maybe I was a little nervous when I arrived in an uncomfortable social situation, and I overcompensated a little bit by making a bunch of jokes.
You played into it.
Yeah, I mean, people kind of enjoyed the blasé Dylan.
And do you enjoy the blasé, Dylan?
Not yet, like, you know, whatever, man. It's pretty cool. It's fine. I like Dylan.
Well, it's nice to meet you, Dylan. I'm Ryan. Well, actually, I'm let's get the fuck out of here, Ryan.
Yeah, I like him. That makes a lot of sense. Oh. Something like that could really take your hands off.
What is this doing at a kid's summer camp?
I don't know, man. It wasn't here over the summer. I mean, if it was, then we would have noticed that, right?
Well, whatever it was trying to catch, you can't now.
Oh, man. I told the kids to look after this. It's 3 times older than they are. Why the hell did I do that? Oh, what in the name of voodoo doo-doo is this? So that's why Nurse Kelly went home early. Huh.
All good?
All good?
Oh, this place is kind of a dump, huh?
Okay, when I was a camper here, it was barely working. It hadn't been used for years, and it took me a really long time, actually, to get this place cleaned up and looking the way it is. So, I'm sorry if it's not up to your standards, but I've been putting in a lot of TLC.
Okay. Okay.
Let me get this set up. All right.
Anything over here we can use?
The power tools? No. That's Mr. H wanted more storage, so it's kind of how he lets me keep the station going.
Gotcha. So, how far does it go?
Oh, well, it was designed just to broadcast to the PAs around camp for announcements and to, you know, portable radios and whatever. So I think the range is about a mile.
How do you even know all this stuff?
I just kind of picked it up.
The technical stuff has always been a little hard for me to get a handle on.
Well, if you like, I could show you the ropes.
Like a class?
Yeah, it's easy. Like climbing.
Sign me up, teach.
Anyways, this thing's gonna need a bit of a power up, but that's where this comes in.
Dust magnet.
It's supposed to be a signal booster. It's kind of janky looking, but it's worth giving a shot.
So, we can actually talk to people with this thing?
Yeah, well, it's not a two-way radio, so, you know, we can talk, but then the best we can do is switch it over to the receiver and see if anyone broadcasts anything back, which is unlikely, but...
Well, I mean, it is what it is, I guess.
Yeah. So, what should I say?
Just, like, make it sound urgent.
Okay. Hello! hello. How's it going out there? This is, we need help. This is, we are counselors at Hackett's Quarry summer camp, and there's been a horrible accident, attack, some stuff bad here. We need your help. There is a swarm of bears, and they are everywhere, and there's these hunters too, and they seem to be shooting at the bears, but also at us, which is not good, and a few of our friends are hurt, and we are in desperate need of help, so please, there's vicious bears, and we don't know what to do, so please come help us. SOS, this is an emergency. Save our ship. Come on down, please help us. Did I do good? Was that?
Swarm of bears?
Yeah.
Herd of bears.
Yeah, I've heard of bears. What?
Oh my god.
All right, I guess I should just like switch this over to the receiver and see if we get anything back.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm gonna keep an eye out while you do all this techie stuff.
Okay, yeah, sure. Check it.
I got a ping on the radio, but no response. I'm gonna head to
Wait, did he say lodge?
the other counselor.
I don't know, hold on.
2 males in the radio shack near the cabins. Another couple unaccounted for. Copy that. Out.
Holy shit, they're talking about us. How?
Because we just told them on the fucking radio. Fuck. They know where we are, man.
We can't stay here.
Shit.
Hey, let's stay calm, okay? Let's go find Caitlin and everybody, okay?
Okay, yeah. Okay. Why didn't you tell me that there's something out there?
I wasn't sure, man.
Fuck, what the fuck was that?
I have no idea.
Ryan? Is it a bear?
I don't think bears can jump like that.
What was that? What is that?
Fuck.
What?
Caitlin, Abby, and Nick, they're coming up the path.
Oh, shit.
They're coming toward us. We gotta warn them. What about the PA?
Up top? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we can tell them to hide or something.
Fuck, no. Oh, shit. Hold the button.
Caitlin, get into a building now. Do not come up here. There's an animal outside the radio hut. Just get into a cabin now. Go!
Oh, fuck, dude.
They're gone.
What now?
Okay, is there anything we can do?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's just an animal, right? I mean, maybe we can scare it off?
Well, yeah. I mean, if it has hearing like a dog, maybe we can play like a really high-pitched feedback loop and just blast it. And I mean, it would hurt like hell, but you know.
Do it.
Okay. Okay. Come on.
It's almost...
Hey, Dylan, just take a breath. I'm sure you can figure it out.
Okay, yeah. Right. There's something missing. What's missing? Oh, crap. I pulled the wire.
Fix it. I'll cover you. Do it now. Go, quickly. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Oh, fucking spreading! You have to cut it off! Cut it off! Cut it off!
Shit! Fuck! Oh, okay. Just hang on.
Fuck.
Are you sure?
Yes, fucking do it! Fucking do it! The wire, get the wire.
What?
Get the wire. The thing, get it.
On it.
Plug it into the thingy.
Keep pressure on it. What do I do?
The button. Oh, we blew the speaker.
It did the trick. Nice work, Dylan.
Oh, fuck, my hand.
Right. Okay. Just hold on.
Why did you do that?
You told me to.
Oh, it was a bad idea.
Is it safe?
I think we're okay for now.
We ran into one of those hunter guys.
Ah, crap.
Yeah, chased us out of the lodge. I think we lost him on the way up here. You get a message out?
I think so.
Great. What the hell was going on at... Oh my god! Dylan, what happened?
Oh, I'm okay. I mean, I'm not, but it doesn't hurt.
Okay, you're in shock. Holy fucking shit. Did that thing do this?
No. Well, sort of. Caitlin, where's your gun?
I lost it. One of the friendly locals wanted to say hi.
What the fuck?
Did she shoot at us?
Who's there?
Who was she?
Should we follow her? Oh shit, Dylan, what is that? Oh my god!
If I was fire, you would be the rainfall. If I was stars, you'd be these city lights. If I was a moon in the sky, oh baby, I want your cloud come and darken my night to be where you are.
Oh, you're back. Looks like that's one less vermin in the world. The devil. Without restrictions, like a shadow torn from one's corporeal form. Pay close attention and act before the demons unleashed. Each of us have one. Even those who are pure of heart and say their prayers by night. Here we have the hermit. With the hermit comes isolation, loneliness, but reflection too. Perhaps, given some thought, the hermit who gives chase can guide you to safety. But that all depends on your actions, not his. I want to show you more. Would that be all right? Two futures to see, but only one can be seen. Make your choice. We spend so much time looking toward the future. It's easy to forget that the past holds secrets too. Worth remembering that. So it's goodbye again. I'll be here. I'll wait for you.